Are you looking for the best cheap pressure washers in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best cheap pressure washers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Stanley SHP1600 electric pressure washer. Sometimes the cheapest machine is the best tool for a job. Equipped with a 1600 SiJet washer gun and a variable turbo nozzle, it can throw out water at 32 times the speed of what you get from a regular garden hose. The 14-ounce detergent tank is a great addition, which you can use to include soap water or degreasing bleach. Caution suggested to get rid of the more stubborn stains. Weighing just about 16 pounds, this Stanley pressure washer can be carried in and around the house to clean external walls, siding, patio, pavement, outdoor furniture, and even your vehicles. The 20-foot hose is enough extension for most needs. For the price, it's a decent tool that simplifies your cleaning activities. Up next in the 4th place is the WORX WG601 electric pressure washer. This small electric pressure washer by WORX will cater to both homeowners and small-scale commercial enterprise owners. It's easy to carry, easy to operate, and it can blast dirt through any edge or surface. Just use the right pressure and the right nozzle turbo and 40-degree to make those dirty surfaces pristine clean. Its highlight is its maximum pressure setting of 2000 psi that can deliver up to 1.85 gallons per minute GPM water flow to cut through the stickiest dirt on your driveway, curbside, and vehicles. For the total weight of this tool, it's surprising to see that it can deliver so much power with so much less input. It's really a workhorse for small-time users. The 3rd product on our list is the WEN PW19 electric pressure washer. If the WORX and Stanley models above didn't impress you, we are sure this portable high-pressure washer by WEN will do the job. It's not the high psi or GPMs rating that we are so proud of in this model, but the spraying gun that makes your job a lot easier than traditional tools and regular washers. With the PW19, you can switch the nozzle with a twist and gain the most efficient setting for the surface you are working on. Trying to shuffle off rainwater spots that have come up on the parking area? Use the 0-degree direct setting. Pressure washing your car and its dirt-filled tires? Use the 60-degree nozzle setting. This type of ease and high portability are what make the WEN PW19 the best lightweight pressure washer under $100. It is as good as it gets before you breach the $100 boundary. Second on our list is the Westinghouse X350 electric pressure washer. If the under $100 models were lightweight and easy to carry, this compact pressure washer here has wheels. Talk about added portability, shall we? Although the X350 is pretty lightweight at 19 pounds, its wheels enable you to move around your house and get the washing done a lot faster. For instance, if you are washing your off-road truck, the sturdy and ergonomic plastic wheels will help you move around faster and with more agility. This is where Westinghouse differs from other players. What's more, the wheels steer at 360 degrees and are engineered with a low center of gravity. This ensures that the washer does not tip off and add to your problems. Just fit the hose and the cord properly and get going with your washing for hours. Finally, the top product on our list is the Karcher K1700 electric TruPressure pressure washer. What makes the K1700 the best value Karcher pressure washer is the convenient foot switch. It allows you to toggle the washer on and off with a single foot press. No more stress on your fingers with this feature, as you can focus more on directional cleaning. Do note that the pressure gun also has a switch for users who are accustomed to handheld operation. With a maximum pressure of 1700 psi, 1.2 GPM, and 3 different nozzles, it makes for a fine household tool. Get rid of dirt, grime, and sap from all types of surfaces, and make your cleaning chore a laid-back, stress-free activity. And that's all for now, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.